Audio Jungle.
Thank you so much, sir. And so, ముందుగా మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా I request Aravinda, Pooja, please.
నాకు స్పేస్ కావాలి. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. అందరికీ చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అరవిందాని ఇంత లవ్ చూపించినందుకు. I think it's a big thanks to Trivikram sir for writing such a, he's been a very generous director and writer for writing such a good and powerful and strong character like Aravinda. It's very rare that women are given such strong characters, and it's so great to see the audience love it and enjoy it. So every single female character in this movie is very strong, and thank you sir, and I hope we get more opportunities. The respect given to women in this film, it's something that I hope will be repeated again and again, and I hope I get challenging roles like this. Thank you for appreciating my performance and my dubbing. Tarak, thank you for being such an amazing co-star. It's an absolute joy to be working with you. I used to think that I am dedicated, but after seeing Tarak, I've realized that I have a long way to go. To come after such a big tragedy, to come on set and shoot a happy song, my full respect and hats off to you. And the energy that he brings on set is just amazing. So thank you, Tarak.
ఏంటండి వీడియో నచ్చిందా? అయితే ఓ లైక్ వేసుకోండి, లేదంటే ఓ కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మా వీడియోస్ చూడాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.